friends, welcome to my channel. So now we are ready for getting the tire change on my bike. As you can see the condition of the tires, it is almost finished. The grooves are almost done. You can see the small cracks has been developed at the edges of the tires on the rear wheel, and similar is the case with the front tire as well. You can see the almost all the grooves have been vanished, and it's time to get a replacement for new set of tires. So I have decided to go for the Ceat Zoom Radial X1 tires, which I will show you the fitting process in due course of my video, so stay tuned. And obviously I was not getting the appropriate grip with the previous set of tires, which were from MRF, so I thought of getting it changed. Almost I have done up till now 21,671 kilometers on this bike, and I have to get the tire changed. So you can see the new pair of tires I'm having in the back. Let's go to the video and see the complete process of installing the new set of tires from Ceat Zoom X1 Radial.
बार करती है प्लेटर में छुट्टी करती है बस देख छुट्टी करती है हाँ गाना गाना मैं पैसे नहीं दूंगा मैं दूंगा छुट्टी होगा एकदम राजू जाके माल बोल